time flies, and now the new JBL Go 5 Bluetooth speaker has been released. I still remember unboxing the first JBL Go 10 years ago. Since then, the JBL Go series has grown significantly. It is now not only waterproof, but also drop-proof. It has been upgraded with a passive radiator, USB-C charging, light effects, the ability to connect several speakers together, and a custom equalizer. The battery life for this latest model is twice as long as it was for the original version. The packaging is colorful and attractive, typical JBL style. Inside the box you get the JBL Go 5 speaker, which comes in several color options. It features a nice rubberized JBL logo and a practical, stylish handle. The only loss over these 5 generations is the charging cable. While it was included in the box with the first JBL Go, it is no longer found in the box now. You will also find some documentation. The most useful is the Quick Start Guide, which presents all the necessary information in a very clear and easy to understand way. It covers everything you need to know to start using your new speaker. The device has 6 buttons. Next time I will perform a base test in water and a full disassembly, but for now, let's do a decibels test at both close range and 1 meter.